In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cameo in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know exactly how to put your live camera feed right on your slides so you can present and stay visually connected with your audience at the same time. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have a deck you're working on, go ahead and open it. If not, create a new presentation and choose a simple layout to start. This keeps things clean as you place your camera feed. Next, look at the ribbon at the top and head over to the Record tab. This is where PowerPoint groups its recording and video tools, and it's where Cameo lives. Click Cameo. PowerPoint will prepare a placeholder for your live video, which you'll insert onto your slide. Choose this slide to place your camera feed right on the slide you're editing. You can use Cameo on just one slide, or repeat the placement on multiple slides for consistency. Click and drag the Cameo frame to move it anywhere on the slide. Use the corner handles to resize while keeping the proportions, and try not to cover key content like headings or charts. For a consistent look across your deck, copy and paste the frame to other slides and align it to the same corner or edge. Now turn on your camera, make sure it's connected and not in use by another app. If PowerPoint asks for permission to access your camera, allow it. A live preview should appear in the frame. Take a moment to tidy your background, place the camera at eye level, and position a light source in front of you so your face is evenly lit. With the camera on, fine-tune the frame, resize and reposition until your video feels balanced with your slide content. Use alignment guides to keep things neat and leave comfortable margins from the edges. Think about framing yourself from the shoulders up and center your eyes in the top third of the frame so it looks natural and professional. When you're ready to present, start your slideshow as usual. Your live video will appear exactly where you placed it, letting you narrate while staying visible. If it blocks something important on a particular slide, press Escape, nudge the frame with your arrow keys, and resume the show. Keep your eyes near the webcam for better connection and advance your slides as you speak. That's how to use Cameo in PowerPoint. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.